are represented by the pH scale showing a value below 7. First, let us see the pH scale. pH scale is from 0 to 14. Here 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, and 8 to 14 it is basic. Therefore, the substances that are represented by the pH scale showing a value below 7 is acid. Let us see the next question now. Acid rain has a pH value of, acid rain has a pH value ranging between 5.0 to 5.5. Which alloy is used for making cutting tools and crushing machines? Chrome steel is used for making cutting tools and crushing machines. Which among the following will be the negative ion? Negative ion, if an element is having electrons greater than protons, then it is called as negative ion, and the element which is having electrons less than protons is said to be a positive ion. Therefore, the answer is option A, that is if it is having more electrons than protons, then it is said to be a negative ion. The process that takes place in the galvanic cell is, chemical energy is transformed into electrical energy. Galvanic cell is also known as electrochemical cell or voltaic cell. In the year 1817, Dash tried to arrange elements with the similar properties into the groups. First of all, the atomic periodic table is first given by Dobereiner. He has tried to arrange elements with similar properties into the groups. Dry ice is nothing but gaseous carbon dioxide. It undergoes a process of sublimation directly from solid state to gaseous state. Friends, Cracku is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do Google search Cracku previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL so that you can download these papers which are helpful for your reference and also practice. How is the iron container or vessel galvanized? These are galvanized using zinc. The famous important method of galvanization is hot dip galvanization, in which all the metal surfaces are dipped into molten zinc. What happens during an endothermic reaction? During an endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed, and during an exothermic reaction, heat is released. Just remember it like, see, exothermic, from the word exo, it is like external. External is outside. Outside is we release it to outside. We don't take it to outside. So releasing outside. So it is exothermic. So when you remember exothermic, automatically you can remember endothermic, that is heat is absorbed. Let us see the next one now. The metal that can be cut with a knife is, sodium. It is an alkali metal. In a diamond, each carbon is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms by a strong covalent bond. Which of the following chemicals is not considered as toxic? Nitrogen is not considered as toxic. What is the pH value of sodium hydroxide? The pH value of sodium hydroxide is 14. Sodium hydroxide is commonly called as caustic soda. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for rupees 199. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Google search Cracku SSC CGL mocks so that you can enroll for these mocks, which is helpful for your better practice and best score. 1 mole of any gas at a standard atmospheric pressure will have a volume of 22.4 liters. Which is the metal also known as quicksilver? Mercury is the metal also known as quicksilver. Its atomic number is 80. Who is the scientist credited with the discovery of covalent bond? Gilbert and Lewis is credited with the discovery of covalent bond. Covalent bond, it is like the pair of electrons are shared by 2 atoms. The next one is most commonly used foaming agent in fire extinguishers is. The most commonly used foaming agent in fire extinguishers is aluminium hydroxide. Which of the following are the properties which do not rely on either the size or the system or the quality of the or the quantity of the matter present in it, but depends on the nature of the substance, matter or present in the system? These are the intensive properties. In which of the following processes oxygen is released as a byproduct? In the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is released as a byproduct. Let us see the equation of photosynthesis now. It is like 6CO2 plus 6H2O under photosynthesis process gives rise to C6H12O6, that is glucose, and also oxygen. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CHSL mocks for rupees 199. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do Google search Cracku SSC CHSL mocks and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which of the following is used extensively as aviation fluid? Kerosene is used extensively as an aviation fluid. Isotopes of an element have. Isotopes of an element have different number of neutrons. A small trick see here. Isotopes. See, from this P, you can remember this P, and you can say that isotopes of an element have same proton number. And if it is isotones, then they are having same neutron number. Evaporation of a material takes place below its boiling point, not above its boiling point. What is the chemical name of milk of magnesia? The chemical name of milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide. The formula of magnesium hydroxide is MgOH taken twice. What is the range of pH scale? The range of pH scale is 0 to 14. Which element has two shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons? Neon is the element that is having two shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons. That is, the neon's atomic number is 10. So, its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Therefore, both cells, the valence electron cells, are totally filled with 2 and 6. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And for any further queries or any suggestions regarding the video, please do tell me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.